Now, proof questions. For some reason, people tend to hate these, but there's a few things you need to bear in mind. When you're asked to do an algebraic proof of something, you need to make sure that you cover all possible nuances, all possible alternatives to make sure you prove something properly. So if I'm asked to show something for all integers, all positive integers, natural numbers n, like this, prove that n cubed plus 2 is not divisible by 8, and I look at this initially and think, can I maybe factorise out 8 or not factorise out 8? I really don't know. But what I need to remember is that all natural numbers are naturally, split, that was awful, sorry. All natural numbers are split into positive and, not positive and negative, because we're natural numbers. All natural numbers are split into even and odd. So all natural numbers are of the form 2m, which means it's an even number, or 2m plus 1, meaning it's an odd number. Now, if I can show that all even numbers are not divisible by 8 and all odd numbers are not divisible by 8 when we cube them and add 2, then I've done it. So let's put if n is even, then n cubed plus 2 would be of this form. Now, this is divisible by 8, but if you take a number that's a multiple of 8 and add 2, you are not going to have a multiple of 8, because to get from a multiple of 8 to the next multiple of 8, you'd have to add 8. So this isn't enough. It's like, I don't know, going from 24 and then adding 2 to get to 26. Obviously, you haven't added enough to get to another multiple of 8. So this is 2 more than a multiple of 8, so not divisible by 8. Now let's do the same for odd numbers. If n is odd, then n cubed plus 2 would be of this form. Let's expand this. We've got, oh man, okay, so using Pascal's triangle, yeah, okay, I've thought of another way, but we'll stick with this for now. Using Pascal's triangle, we know the coefficients for cubing are 1, 3, 3, 1. So we've got one lot of 2m cubed plus 3 lots of 2m squared times by 1 plus 3 lots of 2m times by 1 squared plus 1 cubed, and then we've got the 2 on the end. So all of that is the expansion of this. So that gives me 8m cubed plus, this is an m squared, this is 6m squared. This one is 6m. And then we're plussing 1, and we're plussing 2, is plussing 3. This is a multiple of 8. I need to show that this isn't. I can take a multiple of 3. I can take a multiple of 3 out of all of this, leaving me with 2m squared plus 2m plus 1. Now, this can't be a multiple of 8, because 3 times something, integer of course, is never 8. So this is a multiple of 3 plus not a multiple of 8. So let's put multiple of 8, not multiple of 8. Therefore not divisible by 8. Now here's the thing, I need to write a conclusion, so I need to say when n is even or odd, n cubed plus 2 is not divisible by 8. And there we go.